I am Nick, and I'm making nectarine and peach fruit salad.
Wash hands with soap and water. Gently rub fruit under cool running water. Ingredients: 1 container, 6 ounces of non-fat peach yogurt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 4 nectarines sliced, 2 peaches sliced, 2 cups of seedless grapes. Place fruit in a separate bowl. Combine yogurt and cinnamon in a small bowl. Stir yogurt into fruit mixture.
And there you go, a great after school snack or a snack anytime.
Eat, move, save.